Alrighty, well it looks like it is 7:35, so let's get started with our 2020 Select Football Random Player 1 Megabox break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Richard in the top spot and Pablo in the bottom spot. So I'm going to cut and paste our list over to the right, sort by everybody's names. We'll go through that list briefly so everybody knows who they have in the break, and then we'll tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we have been through our list, let's tear open our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. There are 10 packs. All right. Pack number 1. Peyton Manning. Well, how about this? And our first purple die cut prism is the one that we used in our listing. Joe Burrow. How about that? Joe Burrow. Purple die cut prism. Not too shabby. Then we have a Julio Jones Hot Stars insert. And our last card in the pack is a Rodrigo Blankenship rookie. Well, we're certainly starting the box off good. Pack number 2. And our first card is a James Robinson rookie. And our next card is a purple die cut prism of Rodrigo Blankenship. And then we have a die cut white prism of Jalen Reagor. And then our last card in the pack is a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie. Pack number 3. First card is a Devin DuVernay rookie. Then we have a Brandon Ayuk rookie purple die cut prism. Then we have a Zach Moss white die cut prism rookie. And then our last card in the pack is Julio Jones. Next pack. First card is a Devin Asiasi rookie. And our next card is a Cortland Sutton purple die cut prism. Then we have a Khalil Mack Hot Stars insert. And then our last card in the pack is a Devin DuVernay rookie. And that is the club level version. Next pack. First card is a Henry Ruggs III rookie. And our next card is a Marcus Mariota purple die cut prism. And then our next card is a Jerry Rice unbreakable insert. And then our last card in the pack is a Denzel Mims rookie. Next pack. First card, Mike Evans. Then we have a Peyton Manning purple die cut rookie or purple die cut prism. And then our next card, oh, how about that? A Jacob Eason silver rookie. And then our last card in the pack is a Gabriel Davis rookie. Next pack. Whoa. First card, Joe Burrow. Not too bad. Will go nicely with the purple die cut prism we pulled in the first pack. Then our next card is a Darrell Taylor purple die cut prism rookie. Then our next card is a Terry Bradshaw unbreakable insert. And then our last card in the pack is Derek Carr. All right, pack number 8. First card is Russell Wilson. Next card is a Brian Edwards purple die cut prism rookie. And our next card is a KJ Hamler 96 retro insert. And then the last card in the pack is a CJ Henderson rookie. pack number 9. First card is a Michael Pittman Jr. rookie. I believe that's his second rookie that we've pulled out of this box. Oh, and then our next card is a Clyde Edwards-Helaire purple die cut prism. But wait, that's not all. If you call right now, you'll also get a Clyde Edwards-Helaire silver rookie. Not too bad back-to-back for the Clyde Edwards-Helaire spot. Purple die cut and then silver. And then our last card in the pack is Jerry Rice. Last pack. First card, Jerry Rice. Then we have a purple die cut prism of Tony Gonzalez. Then we have a Tyreek Hill turbocharged insert. And then our last card in the box, a Jordan Love rookie. All righty. Well, that was quite a box. So now that we've finished opening all of our packs, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. We'll go through our inserts first. We have, let's see, 6 inserts. Our first one is our Tyreek Hill turbocharged. And that goes to Linda. Congrats on that, Linda. Thanks for joining us this week. Then our next insert is our KJ Hamler 96 Retro insert. And that goes to Chad K. Congrats on that. And then next is our Terry Bradshaw Unbreakable insert. And that goes to Linda. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our Jerry Rice Unbreakable insert. And that goes to Dan. Congrats on that, Dan. And then next is our Khalil Mack Hot Stars insert. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. And then our last insert is our Julio Jones Hot Stars. And that goes to Pablo as well. Back-to-back, doubling up. Congrats on that. So next, we will go through our big stack of rookie cards. Let me sort these out a little bit. I think we've got some dupes. All right. First is our Jordan Love rookie. And that goes to Pablo. All right. Congrats on that. And then next we have 2 Michael Pittman rookies. One is club level and then one is concourse. And both of those go to Robert. Congrats on those, Robert. And then next we have a C.J. Henderson rookie. And that goes to Linda. Congrats on that, Linda. And then next we have our Joe Burrow rookie and our Joe Burrow purple die cut prism rookie. And both of those go to Pablo. Congrats on those. Very nice. And then next we have our Gabriel Davis field level rookie. And that goes to Brian. Congrats on that, Brian. And then next we have our Denzel Mims rookie. And that goes to Linda. Congrats on that. And then next we have our Henry Ruggs III rookie. And that goes to Josh. Congrats on that, Josh. And then next we have two Devin DuVernay rookies, one club level and one concourse. And both of those go to Chad B. Congrats on those. And then next we have our Devin Aussie, or is it Asai? Regardless, that goes to Robert. Congrats on that. And then next we have our James Robinson rookie. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then lastly, we have our Rodrigo Blankenship rookie and also Purple Prism Parallel. And both of those go to Pablo. Congrats on those. So next, we'll go through our white die cut prisms. We had two of those in the box. Our first one is our Zach Moss rookie. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that. And then secondly is our Jalen Rieger. And that goes to Lori. Congrats on that. All right, so next we will go through our silver prisms. We got two of those. Our first one is Jacob Eason club level rookie. And that goes to David M.A. Congrats on that. And then next we have our Clyde Edwards-Helaire silver rookie along with his purple die cut prism rookie. And both of those go to Amber. How about that? Congrats on those, Amber. Very nice. All right, so that leaves us with our purple die cut prisms. Our first one is Tony Gonzalez. And that goes to Josh. Congrats on that, Josh. And then next is our Brian Edwards. And that goes to Dan. Congrats on that, Dan. And then next is Daryl Taylor. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is Peyton Manning. And that goes to Pablo. Congrats on that, Pablo. And then next is Marcus Mariota. And that goes to Linda. Congrats on that. And then next is Cortland Sutton. And that goes to Linda as well, back to back. Congrats on that. And the next is Brandon Ayuk. And that goes to Chad KU. Congrats on that. All righty. I'll have to say that was quite a box. Quite a box. Well, that concludes our 2020 Select Football Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 1. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us on the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back here in about 5 or 6 minutes with our 2019 Topps Heritage High Numbers Baseball Random Player 1 Mega Box Break number 2. Thanks again, everybody.